Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Instagram chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and to recover the deleted chat on Instagram, we need to go to our accounts center. You can go to your profile first, and then you are going to select these three lines on the top right, and here you can go to your accounts center. Okay, and then I'm going to go to your information and permissions, and we're going to download our information to get back the deleted chat on Instagram. I'm going to click on download your information, and then you can click on download or transfer information. And since I have logged into multiple accounts on this Instagram and they are connected, so I need to select one of the Instagram account on the account center, and I'm just going to select this one guys, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and since we want to recover the deleted Instagram chat, we can select some of your information, and you can choose message, this one. To recover the deleted chat, we need to get back the Instagram messages, and then click on next. Okay, then click on download to device. Okay, and here you can choose the date range, and I'm just going to select, for example, last week, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and then for the format, I'm gonna go with this one, and then I'm going to select the media quality. I'm just going to select medium, and then we can click on create files. Okay, and wait for a moment guys. As you can see that the information has been requested and will be notified on our Gmail if the information has been available. You just need to wait until the Instagram provide you the information you have requested, and then it will take time, depends on the information you have. The longer information, the longer time it will take in. And after that, you just need to go back to the account center, and after your information is available, the download button will appear right here, and you will also get notified on your Gmail. So don't forget to check your Gmail or check on your account center on Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recover deleted Instagram chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!